We're here today from the Building Trades 2 class from Windsor High School to give a home rehab needs assessment to see what this house needs and doesn't, like what's higher on our priorities and whatnot, to help out an elderly lady here in town.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? This is Miss Hobbs.
Hey, nice to meet everybody. Good morning to you.
My name is Catherine Hobbs, and I'm 72 years old, retired. I'm just so looking forward. I was trying to figure out a way to get some things done, and I couldn't afford it right now. So Miss Wiggins contacted the superintendent.
So I told them about your house. I've been infatuated with your house. I had a guy to come out here and go around and see how much it would cost to fix the windows and the facial, the soffit, that backside step. I don't trust it. And so, but recently when I was talking to her, she divulged to me, honestly just didn't have the money to do all of this because her well went dry. And when her well went dry, she had to dig another well. And when you're on a fixed income, you don't have that kind of money to spread around. This lady right here, she didn't even know me from Adam until she called my number. But I don't forget things, and I don't forget people. You leave nobody behind. You don't leave senior citizens in situations where they can't help themselves. And that's who I am and what I'm about.
It's nice to have you all. And it's just a wonderful blessing. I'm excited to see what you're going to do.
We're just like going around the house, looking at what needs to be fixed and what needs to be rebuilt and stuff. Like this porch right here, like the steps, we definitely have to fix that because we wouldn't want her to fall or anything. This house really needs a lot of work. We're gonna get it done.
It's not in the worst condition, but it needs a lot of touch-up work.
Needs a little love. Needs a little love.
So one day you guys might be master builders. That would be wonderful.
Well, we've been working on that tiny house as a project, so we've learned how to paint and whatnot, and we've been working a lot with like the skill saw and whatnot, and hopefully we can get that replaced and help out.
Then definitely, if there's anything that electrical that needs to be replaced, we can do that.
They are eager to learn, and they ask good questions about what I want done. So they're not just thinking they're gonna come in and just do whatever. They are asking me what I want, and I like that.
Would you like, which door do you go at the most, front or back? Because that decides whether or not if we put a handicap ramp on here in the back, or maybe do both. What color would you, because we're gonna have to repaint the siding, what color would you like it?
I'm gonna decide on a color. I know you
I'd
told
say like
me.
a light gray. I think that would look good.
Or a medium gray. What you think about like a grayish blue?
I think it's important because it's not also helping us, it's also helping somebody else that actually needs the help. So it's like we're receiving skills while also helping somebody else. And also she don't have to pay for nothing, and that's a really good thing that we're doing right here. So basically we're giving back and helping. Maybe we should do this more often. I feel like home improvement a little bit.
It's just been a blessing. I don't take anything for granted, anything like that. I'm just so looking forward to it, and it's a wonderful thing to be able to get this work done, and it's going to help me enjoy my retirement a little bit more.
Hopefully we get started this project really soon. I can't wait.